Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking for some quick and simple side dish recipes, or just in general some vegan or vegetarian recipes. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a very simple roasted root vegetable recipe. This is going to take no time to put together at all, so let's get into the process. I'm going to be using 3 different root vegetables today. I'm going to be using some parsnips, some carrots, as well as some butternut squash, just because that is what I have on hand. You can go ahead and mix up any veggies that you would like, or make a variation on this as per your own taste and preferences. So the first thing that I'm doing is I am peeling and I'm going to be chopping up my parsnips. And I'm using about 2 parsnips, and for the rest of the ingredients and measurements, they will be left in the description box below this video. You want to make sure and cut these into bigger sized chunks, this way they don't really melt away or cook down too much when they're in the oven. Remember, you want them to still have a little bit of body to them, you don't want them to be super mushy. And the next veggie that I'm going to be peeling and cutting is my carrots. Now they sell all kinds of different colored carrots nowadays at your grocery stores, so if you want to make this look a little bit more appealing, you can go ahead and play with some different colors or variations as well. So I'm going to just chop this up and I'm going to cut it up as well. And the last veggie that I have here is a small butternut squash. I've already peeled it and I'm just going to cut it into the same size chunks as my other veggies. Remember, you have to cut all of these things the same size, so this way they cook at the same time and nothing gets too overcooked or undercooked while the other is done cooking. The next step, once you're done preparing all of your vegetables, is to put them onto a cookie sheet and make sure you spread them out into an even single layer for even roasting. And then I'm going to pour over a good amount of olive oil and sprinkle on some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I'm just going to toss them up with my hands really well, and I'm going to pop it into my oven that is preheated to 400 to 450 degrees. Just depends on how hot your oven gets, but the higher that you put it, the better that these veggies will roast, and they will get nice and crispy and brown all around the edges. And that is absolutely it, guys. After about 25 to 30 minutes, your vegetables will be perfectly roasted. They're going to be tender on the inside and they're going to have a beautiful golden brown or dark brown color on the outside. So I went ahead and I pulled it out of the oven, I served it up, and I'm topping it with some fresh herbs of my choice. I'm going to be using some fresh parsley. But that's it. You can serve this up alongside almost anything, any vegetarian dish or meat dish of your choice, and it will be absolutely delicious. So if you enjoyed this quick little tutorial today, please don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and drop those comments down below and let me know what I should be cooking next. Bye everyone!